Hello Libra, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. Libra, this is your reading for the next 3 months, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. In this reading, Libra will see what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know. Okay, I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down, and then we'll see what you need to know. Let's see what you need to know, Libra. Let's see what you need to know. Link, there is an extended reading for this one. A link for the same is in description box and comments section. Also Libra, if you're interested in getting done a private reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. Okay, the details of the same are in description box and comments section. Let's get started now. Let's see what you need to know, Libra. What do you need to know for the next 3 months? What do you need to know for the next 3 months? Libra, what do you need to know for the next 3 months? What do you need to know for the next 3 months, Libra? What do you need to know for the next 3 months, Libra? What do you need to know for the next 3 months? What do you need to know for the next 3 months, Libra? Four of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, Ace of Wands, Death and Rebirth, the Moon, and Six of Swords. Bottom of the deck, we have Seven of Wands. You might be dealing with a Cancer, you might be dealing with a Scorpio, with an Aries, with a Virgo, you might be dealing with Gemini, Leo. You might see a lot of 333, a lot of 555, 444, consecutive numbers like 456. Number 8 is of some significance. You might see 1111 as well. Okay. Libra, what do you need to know for the next 3 months? I think so, Libra. The recent past events that have happened in your life, those events or the impact of those events has overwhelmed you a lot in some or the other way. Okay. And I do feel like those events have probably stressed you out, probably uh, bogged you down emotionally. You probably are feeling a bit low, slightly depressed, or maybe there are certain mood swings that you're experiencing. Somewhere I do feel like you want to get away from this. Okay. There is a very strong urge and very strong desire to move away from whatever you're experiencing at the moment in your life. For some of you, you're planning to bring changes in your life by exiting from certain situations that are stressing you out, that are robbing you of any kind of a peace. I also feel like you're surrounded by a lot of people who are pretty immature and demanding of your attention every now and then, and they think that they are kind of entitled to have your attention, and they can come in whenever they want, demand your attention, get your attention whenever they want, and then move out as per their whims and fancies. And for some of you, these are very your very own family members, or for some of you, these are your close friends. For some of you, these are your work colleagues. For some of you, it might be a romantic partner of yours. And you're kind of feeling like no one is caring for me. No one cares for me. Like I'm the one doing everything for everyone, but what about me? No one has thought of doing anything for me. Everyone wants my attention. my energy, love from me, care and concern from me. They want me to put in the necessary efforts, but what about my own peace? What about how I am feeling at the moment? No one cares to ask about that. Okay, whether I am okay to give my time at this moment, whether I'm busy doing something else, whether I want this time to myself, no one thinks about it. They just barge into my life, demand attention, love, care, emotions from me, and barge out whenever they want, whenever they are satisfied and content with whatever I'm supposed to give them. But they don't care of giving it back to me. So somewhere you are feeling, first of all, everyone demanding attention from you, or everyone acting needy around you is kind of, rather than stressing you out, I think so it has become such a put off. You're like, god, why I'm surrounded by such immature people, who don't know how, who doesn't understand how to run their own life without me. Okay, I think so. You're going to vanish from the scene all of a sudden over the period of next 3 months. You're going somewhere. Maybe you're getting relocated, or you are going on a vacation unannounced. Okay. I also feel like you're putting an end to a lot of situations in the next 3 months. Ending certain relationships, ending certain, maybe there is a change in a career, end of jobs. Because I am getting this energy that I am done. I am done, I'm done, I'm done. I'm getting this energy from you, Libra. You want a new start, you want a fresh beginning. So, this is your overall energy for the next 3 months. Let's try and deep dive. When it comes to your love life, I do feel, Libra, that you're manifesting a major change in your love life. Okay, how you're manifesting a major change. If you are with someone and if you're unhappy with that person, you're going to get into some sort of a serious conversation with that person, and you're letting that person know that I'm not happy in the situation, and these are the XYZ reasons because of which I'm not happy. Now the ball is in your court. If you want to change yourself, if you want to put in the efforts to make me happy, it's okay. If you don't want to put in the efforts, still okay, but I'm not going to be a part of this connection, and I'm giving you so much of time period to change yourself. I think so you're going to have a very upfront conversation with someone. Okay, for some of you, if you are single, there is someone from the past who is rushing towards you, because this person thought that, you know what, as usual Libra will come towards me, as usual Libra will initiate a conversation, as usual Libra will try and break the silence, and as usual we will reconcile and things will come back to normal. But this time around, things are different. You're not going back. You're not putting in the efforts towards this person. You're not trying to resolve the fights. And this person is pissed off. This person is like, why aren't you doing the usual thing that you do? They are coming rushing towards you because there is a lot of fear of losing you. There is fear of you moving on. There is fear of you leaving them on a permanent basis. They don't want that. They're rushing towards you. Probably this person might even confess, you know what, I have feelings and I love you. I want this with you. I want that with you. They want the existing situation to change. They don't want you to hold yourself back, whoever this person is. They are like, no, be your usual self. Be the way you are always in a connection. Okay? I don't want you, such version of yours, you holding back. I want your love. I want your care, your affection. Let's have a new beginning. Okay. And to make you stop from moving on, this person might come up with some sort of a confession like, you know what, I actually love you. I want you. I want to have a future with you. But till the time this person comes back, I think so you are already in lot of in a conflict when it comes to this existing situation. You are definitely contemplating moving on and moving away. For some of you, moving on is a very good choice because you're going to meet someone better, the love of your life, where you will experience a lot of love and a lot of intensity. Okay, so let's see. L- if if Libra is moving on, what Libra needs to know about this new person? The King of Cups, the King of Romance, Seven of Wands, ready to fight for this connection, the Star, the King of Swords, someone who is going to be very, very, very protective about this connection with you, and at the same time, someone who will love you from the bottom of their heart. You're manifesting a new person who is going to be way better, way, way, way better than this past person. Okay. So where you're going to feel tremendously satisfied, someone who will do everything to protect this connection, and also someone who is very mature. I think so this person is doing very well for himself or herself. Might be a social media celebrity or something of that sort, or probably they are very well known in their community. I think so. You're manifesting someone with an age gap. For some of you, this is going to be your boss, by the way. But one thing is sure is this person is way better than someone from the past. Now, let's see what you need to know regarding your career and your finances when it comes to uh, the next 3 months. We have the Fool, we have Four of Wands, we have Ten of Wands, then we have the Ace of Pentacles here. You're making necessary changes in order to bring stability in your career. If at all you're running a business, and if at all you're feeling like you're doing everything by on your own, however there are certain things that you can delegate, and the core work is something that you can focus on. I think so the core work is something that you're going to keep to yourself, and rest of the things you might hire people to delegate. But there are significant changes that you're going to make, which will bring a lot of stability and consistency to your business or whatever you're doing. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, I do see that uh, there is opportunities to make more money. Those opportunities to make more money are also coming towards you. Yeah, you might have. I do see you giving focus towards two things for the next 3 months. Maybe there is one existing career that you're already taking care of, and then there is another side hustle or a side business that you're going to establish. Okay, you might even get into partnership, which will prove to be very fruitful. Collaborations and partnerships. All right, so let's see the person on your mind, Libra. What does this person on your mind wants to tell to you? What does this person on your mind wants to tell to you? Togetherness. I want to come closer and spend time with you. The person from the past, this person is still thinking about you, and they are pretty optimistic about reconciliation. Love you, you're my heart. I want to say I love you. I told you, right? This person is coming up with some sort of confessions. They want a new beginning. Crossroads. You have to choose one, decide carefully. I told you, you are on this Two of Pentacles itself. I told you, right? You are deciding between you wanting to stay and moving on. Reunion. I'm ready to start all over once again. This person has really high hopes when it comes to reconciliation. Caution, your friends are jealous with our relationship, beware. Yeah, probably this connection broke down because of interference from outside forces. Some third party got involved. Now, third party can be a romantic third party, or it can be friends, it can be family members, it can be anyone else as well, right? I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till then, take care, have a great time, and bye bye, Libra. Let me show you the spread. This is your spread. Take care and bye.